A piston is attached to a connecting rod via a wrist pin. On the bottom of the connecting rod is a crankshaft bearing. This minimizes wear and allows the connecting rod to rotate smoothly when attached to the crankshaft. A rod cap holds the other end of the connecting rod onto the crankshaft, completing the connection. Now, as the piston moves down the inside of a cylinder, it draws in an air-fuel mixture. The piston compresses that mixture, which is then ignited by a spark plug. The resulting combustion pushes the piston back down, and then as it returns to the top, it pushes out exhaust gases, and the cycle continues, sucking in air and fuel, compressing it, igniting it, and then pushing out the exhaust. Now, that process is what gets the crankshaft spinning, which spins the transmission, which spins the drive shaft, which spins your wheels.